Yeah, look how smooth and creamy this mayo is. Okay, let's get it in a jar. Half of it in a jar, and half of it I'm gonna keep in here to blend my ranch. The beauty of knowing what you're giving your family. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice and creamy mayo. All right, so that's the mayo, and this is what I'm leaving in there. About to put my buttermilk in here and make the ranch. You guys couldn't see. Yep. All right. All right, let's get the ranch in the container. Just giving you a touch of what I'm doing to make my staples in my home. I already made the almond milk right after, and I didn't have time to record. I was trying to move fast because I needed the almond milk to make the mayo and also the ranch. So yeah, but I don't think I have an almond butter on here. I think I showed you guys peanut butter but not almond butter. But talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back if there's something you want me to share. Syrup is underway, and yeah, I gotta make some more brown sugar. I have links to this on how to make that, but yeah, let me put this in there. Yeah, and put my cinnamon and stuff in. Okay, gotta fill my avocado. That's simmering, and that'll be going in this bottle, and we about to put the avocado in there. Why is it so? Yeah, I'm about to put some more avocado oil in there because that's what I use for my mayo and my ranch. Almond butter done. So here's the almond milk. Here's the mayo, the ranch, the syrup, and I also make my own strawberry jam. And you will be seeing a video in the future of this here, my bread. I make that myself as well. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like when it first comes out the oven, but it is so tasty. And these are the tortillas. We end up eating some egg salad wraps with lettuce and like spices. It was some spicy egg salad with these, and these are so good. I make these myself as well. Hey my gators, so I'm so used to doing shorts, so I'm always having my camera a certain way, but I decided to put this footage in and talk over it. This is me buttering my sandwich bread. I'm getting back to all my staples. I've been doing this back in the days for years, and I just got away from it, but I love the enjoyment of knowing what's in our food and what we're eating, and this is what my channel is about, showing you how to do things yourself and save coins and also make it a little bit more healthier. We're not always going to be perfect with our diets, but we can be healthier. Talk to me in the comments, I'll talk back, and let me know what you want to see next.